Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use YouTube subscribers only comment feature. Now in 2026, the subscribers only comments feature allows you to limit who can leave comments on your standard videos and search to only those people who are subscribed to your channel. This is a tool designed to reduce bot spam and ensure that only your community members can interact with your content. Now to enable this subscribers only comments feature, go ahead and open your YouTube Studio application. Then tap on this content option. From there, head to your contents. Three-dotted menu icon right next to your search or your long form videos. Now once you tap on it, go ahead and select this edit option. Then tap on show more option and you will find community option over here. Go ahead and click on it and you will see comment section or comment option, which is mostly enabled on. From there you will find option called who can comment. Now go ahead and click on it. From there you will find another option called anyone and subscribers and members only. Now go ahead and select members and subscribers only, and once you have done so, you can head back and you will see that all your contents will be can only be commented by your subscribers. That is how you do it, guys. I hope this video helps you out a lot in your YouTube building journey, and if you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.